Hi there, welcome to Huson DIY. In this video we're going to make a custom cake topper with our Cricut Maker 3. Okay, so in this video we're going to make a cake topper for Oliver, part of the Huson DIY team. It's his 10th birthday. So he supports Manchester United, so we're going to do a Manchester United themed cake topper. So the plan is to cut out some card in the shape of the Manchester United badge and do a print and cut on some printable vinyl and stick it on top of that cake topper. So that'll give us that really good detail of the badge, and we'll customise that badge and use that for the cake topper that we're making the cake at home as well. So step through in Cricut Design Space, and we will go through step by step the design I'm doing, and I'll show you it cutting out, and then I'll show you the finished product at the end. Okay, enjoy the video. If you're liking the video on the way, drop a like in and subscribe at the end. Okay, so we're in Microsoft Paint here, just removing the letters, just painting over that. Simple, nothing too crazy there. Just painting over with the same red as the rest of the logo. And then the plan is to then upload this into Cricut Design Space. So into Cricut Design Space, new canvas, upload an image, which is the badge. I'm going to remove the white, remove the background, make it transparent, and then do it as a print, then cut. Import it again. So I've got the print and cut, then I'm going to import it again as a cut image, so I can cut out a blank. Like you can see there, I've got the black blank and the badge itself. Just sizing this up so it's the right size for the cake we're doing. Get them exactly the same for now. Just getting now the personalisation, putting Oliver on there, making sure we get a nice font that looks as much as I can get it like the original lettering on the badge. Just using the curve function there just to curve it around the logo. So put Oliver at the top. Okay, we're out with the maker. We've got this printed out here looking great. So stick this down on a light grip mat, get it put in, and hopefully to get a nice clean cut around the edge and get rid of these white bits in here. And then we'll cut the other bit out on some black card. Okay, so that's that cut. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click on the badge, hide that, and I've noticed that it's not cut perfectly. I think I need to do a calibration. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make this just like a couple of mil bigger, and I'm going to cut it on black card. So if there's any bits on the edge of there that haven't got the black on, they still will have black on because they'll have the black card. So I'm just going to change these measurements just by a couple of mil. So I'll put that up to probably 3 mil, so I'll do it to 9. So I'll do it to 14.9. So it's a little bit bigger, and then obviously the sticker will be within it then. So I think it'll look fine. So we'll get some black card put onto the mat and get this cut out now. So the card I'm using is this, just from Hobbycrafts, A4 50 sheets of 160 GSM. So I'll probably do 2 black cards just to give it a bit of rigidity, so it don't flop about too much. Okay, so I've done 2 blacks, and I've done some brown card just to give it a bit more stability in the middle. So I'll stick one on the front and one behind that, just to give it just to make it so it's really solid so it don't bend. Okay, so that's the card stuck on either side. Oh, where's it gone? With the brown card in the middle. So we get that now and stick it onto the top of the black. Okay, so peeling off the vinyl sticker here that I've printed out, sticking onto that backing of the black. Obviously made the black a little bit bigger than it needed to be, so this should fit on absolutely fine. That's done, and now just some shots of the finished product. Okay, so the cake topper came out perfect, exactly what we wanted for the cake. Nice bright colours, nice and clear. Obviously the customization with Oliver's name and his age on there, so looking great. If you've enjoyed the video, it's been a good video, give it a thumbs up, give it a like. If not for any reason, give it a dislike. If you want to follow along for any other Cricut projects, any other DIY projects we're doing at home, hit that subscribe button and we'll see you on the next video.